What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So somebody asked, how do they find a good mechanic in their area? Well, you definitely want to check the reviews and then check out some of their content. Either they're on TikTok or YouTube or something like that. And you know, like South Main Auto, he gets cars from other shops, and some are from knucklehead shops that he doesn't mention. Some are from the dealership, and he just shows the difference between his skill level and quality versus someone else. And it's just some examples. I mean, if you got a guy out there who's pad slapping, grinding rotors, and doing half-assed work, kind of compare that information to the information that's coming from other YouTube channels for specific repair. And I'm going to give you an example like today, all right? Here we go. Subaru's in for an AC diagnostic. And then I'm checking the wiper cowl, right? Because this is how the vehicle pulls in fresh air into the vehicle through the vents in the car, right? So if the vehicle can't pull in fresh air through the heating and cooling system, then the evaporator and the heater core can't perform its job. So the heater core, right, takes heat transfer from fan speed and provides warm air or hot air to the cab of the vehicle. Not only that, it helps reduce engine coolant temperatures. An AC evaporator, right, in the dashboard inside the car needs that air speed also to make it, okay, so the AC system uses high pressure and low pressure and converts a gas to liquid. So if it can't convert the gas to a liquid, it can't cool. So you definitely need a system that doesn't have a clogged wiper cowl or a clogged cabin air filter. So part of the AC diagnostic is for me to inspect the cabin air filter. So I didn't go and pull it all the way apart, but I'm just going to show you right now. We got issues inside the vehicle. This is the difference between my shop and other shops. The last place this was is not for an oil change, which was just a few hundred miles ago. The wiper cowl didn't get clogged overnight, and nor did the cabin air filter. And I'm not going to give up this shop because I do work for this shop every once in a while. So it may not be the shop that's lacking in the quality of service. It could be communication to the customer, or the customer just declining. I'm not really sure. But I have to do my job, and some people like that and some people don't. So if you're shopping around for, you know, and sometimes it's trial and error. You go to a place, you try them out, you have a bad experience or something, you know, and that happens in our business. The parts are so bad today that even an excellent, great shop, reputable shop, could have issues, and it's just something you're going to have to swallow and stomach today, and it's out of our control. So it makes our job hard, very hard. But just reporting conditions to the consumer isn't really that hard unless they're lacking training. So that's all I got for now. Thanks for watching.